Alright, here's a quick video on 3235. So on number 32, we're given that JNP. Well, where is JNP? It's right here. From J to N to P. That is 2x plus 3. We're given that KNL is 3x minus 17. We're given that KNJ is 3x plus 34. I want to find the measure of each angle in degrees. So the most important thing for, do I have either of those angle pair types that we talked about in class? So knowing our definitions, having studied those definitions is going to be very important. Linear pairs versus vertical angles. And it looks like here, I've got two vertical angles. I've got 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 17. And I need to know that by the definition, this was 2x plus 3. By the definition of vertical angles, all vertical angles are equal, congruent. So I know that these two angles are equal. So I can say 2x plus 3 equals 3x minus 17. And I could solve for x from there. Once I have x, I can go back and substitute in those x values and solve for the degree measure of each of those angles. So just identifying our vertical angles, our linear pairs, that would be super important. 35, again, we're going to draw, and I'm going to see if I can identify any vertical pairs. Vertical angles, linear pairs, anything that we've talked about in class, those angle pairs. So WX and YZ intersect at point V. So WX, there's WX, here's Y, Z, and they intersect at point V. There's our step one. If WVY, which is this angle here, that's 4a plus 58, and XVY is 2b minus 18, find the values of a and b so that WX is perpendicular to YZ. Well, I should know what perpendicular means. I need to study that vocabulary word. So let's take a minute here and let's see if I can draw that one more time. I want to draw that so it's perpendicular. Let me draw that so it's perpendicular. So that's WX. WVY is, I'm going to move this around. I changed the letters order. WVY is 4a plus 58. XVY is 2b minus 18. I need to find the values of a and b so that WX is perpendicular. Well, what does perpendicular mean? It means they make a right angle. So all of these should be right angles, which means that I can just set this equal to 90, and I could set this equal to 90 and solve. But I need to know what that vocabulary word perpendicular means, and I need to know how to set up that equation by that definition of perpendicular. Let me know what other questions you have, and I will see you in class.